I'm a trauma therapist, and I want to walk you through what a trauma processing session with EMDR might look like. Have you ever had a moment where your reaction felt bigger than the situation? Somebody doesn't text you back, and you begin to feel triggered, unimportant, abandoned. It's not just about the text. It's not just about the present moment. It might not be about the person that's involved in the current situation, but it's your nervous system remembering something familiar, something older. We can use that present day trigger in order to float back, and boom, you are not 34 anymore. You're back to your 7-year-old self, sitting on the front porch, waiting for a dad to come who's never showed up, or hiding in your room because the adults in your life are fighting. Back to what we call the touchstone memory, where the trauma actually occurred. What feels like the worst part? What part hits the most? What belief do you take on about yourself from this experience? What is the belief that still feels true, that you still carry with you? Maybe it's, I don't matter, I don't belong, I'm ugly, I'm not worthy, I'm not good enough, I'm unimportant. What would you prefer to believe about yourself? How intense is this? Where do you feel it in your body? And then we process with something called bilateral stimulation, meaning both sides of the body. So you might be holding tappers that are buzzing on either side, alternating, following fingers, seeing a ball that moves across the screen that you follow with your eyes. You might be tapping like this. After we have desensitized that experience, we move to reprocessing. What is the belief that you want to hold now based on this experience? I am loved. I am worthy. I am good enough. I can advocate for myself. EMDR helps us to go back and finish what your brain couldn't do back then, to make meaning of the experience in a way that is useful and serving you. You'll notice how the patterns change, how you feel less anxiety, how you're walking through the world now with a better sense of self. You'll get to a place where you're not that little girl on the porch anymore, right? You're not the little boy that's hiding, that's waiting for your father to come get you. You're in the now. You've unhooked from the residue of that story. Some people feel relief within 6 or 12 sessions. Depending on your level of trauma and experiences, this can take several sessions. It can take time. Time is passing anyway. So you might as well be working on healing, right?